In this tutorial, I'll show you how to isolate specific colors using DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the color page. Then, open the RGB mixer. Turn on monochrome. Next, in the node graph, right-click on the clip node. Select Add Node, then choose Add Layer. This will create a node of the original clip. Now, select the newly created node. Go to the Qualifier tab. Use the Picker tool to select the color you want to isolate. You can use Picker Add or Picker Subtract to include or remove more colors from your selection. For finer adjustments, use Feather Add or Feather Subtract. To view only your selected area, press Shift+H. Now, adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance controls to isolate the exact region more accurately. Once you're happy with the selection, go back to the black and white node. Open the RGB mixer and tweak the RGB channels to enhance the final look. And that's it! You've successfully isolated a color using the Qualifier and DaVinci Resolve. This technique is perfect for adding creative focus and stylized effects to your footage.